Hi friends, so we are going to get an expiry today on the weekly chart. The weekly, so on the bank nifty. So like we were talking yesterday, market taken that support around 27 150 180 levels in the bank nifty, and it didn't gone below 10,800 on nifty also. It hovered around that region and came back. So in an expiry day, how to trade? How to trade, especially bank nifty, because that's having a weekly expiry. So you have to be little bit tricky, and this bank nifty is little bit tricky because right now, if you remember, few last year it was of a lot size of a 40. Now it is reduced to 20. So if you think, yeah, if you're taking a 10 point premium, uh, suppose we are taking a 2720 put of 2720 strike price. It's and now trading at 20 rupees around. So a lot size is 20, so that's only 400 rupees. But you have to think about the brokerage also. I don't know in which broker you are trading right now. So uh, when this s- lot size came down, no, right now if you are selling something below the 10 rupee range, you have to look whether you have to sell it or not, because if you are selling something for 10 suppose it is trading at 10 rupees, you are giving 200, that's it. But if you are then the brokerage also come, yeah, so GST will be there. So if it is something going below that 10, it's better to not to sell it off, because you have to again give that much money, but you have still there can be a upside, and you will be getting some amount back if you are staying. If you are taken a 20 rupees premium strike, and you are selling it on 10 rupee, yeah, you are losing 200, plus you will be giving GST and all. So in those cases it's better to let it be like that. So these 20 rupee, so in when it was in 40 lot, people may think like they can sell, they can give a stop of 10 rupee and then take a position on with the 20 rupee. But when this lot size gone down, no, most of the time what will happen is people will give up that 20 rupees, and they will not sell it, because it's hardly they are getting anything. If they get a sudden move on the bank nifty, they will be easily getting 30 40 rupees. So that's about the lot change, because lot is right now only 20. so, so better to so if you're an option trader, better you guys look for in the money puts and calls. So that will be trading above 100 So if you are taking a lot 100, that means around 2000 plus will be your amount, premium amount you will be giving. But still those type of trades will give you some handsome returns. If you uh, if you go for a 20 rupees 30 rupees strike, your risk reward is little bit less, I think so, because if you're taking a 20 premium strike position, maybe it will be going a 40 or a 30, and in the end of the day you will be getting hardly 200 rupees, 300 rupees. So it's better to take in the money, or in the money puts and calls on an expiry day, but don't take positions at home. I mean, if you are suppose take the case of yesterday, if you remember, we were shorting nifty, and 27 400 put, it was going it was trading around 200, and today if you think it gone only to 237. But there was a scenario that yeah, today suppose market opened 200 or 300 point up, then that even though it was trading 200 rupees yesterday, it will straightly open today at 100 or something. So you are losing 100 point, which is around 2000 rupees straight away in the morning gap up. So in a weekly contract, better close the position and go. And on the expiry day, come as fresh. Take your position according to your analysis, and that will be better for the long run. So if you take today's market, it is nothing like yesterday we were told. Bank Nifty taken support around the 27 170 180. Only one time I think it hit that 150 level, and it is trading around that. So as so a future trade, an option trader, he will not be getting that much money till now if he had positions still. So, and today also, even though Nifty is flat, um, sector rotation is still going on in the Nifty. If you go to the sector wise, if you see today, telecom is down, auto is down. Yesterday metal was on the upside. Today reality and energy is uh, taking the market higher, while and draggers are consumer durables, power, etc. So this will go till the budget announced. No, there is hardly 1 week left for the budget announcement, and we know that a new Mr. Piyush Goyal will be announcing the budget. So there is some uncertainty there also. So the one thing you have to always think that market knows everything. Market is poised to move in such a way that it know what is going to happen to this rally. So it's better to stay with half cash, half position, and then fully invested into the stock right now. Let the news come out. There is already hope in the market that there will be some um, announcements in that side, and there will be some because it's an election year. There will be some softs also. So how market will be taking those, it's not yet finalized. So that's why market is taking time. So as a trader, it's better to move with the market. If it is not moving that much, wait. Patience will be the key in this type of a market. So in the weekly side, when the weekly contracts are traded, so you have to be extra cautious with this low lot size of the bank nifty. So and some people usually think that if there is a huge open interest, the market will not go against that. Like right now, if you see, if you go to NSE and NSE, the huge strike. Let's check where is the huge strike happening. Uh, where the big open interest is. So in the bank nifty, if you check bank nifty's in the put side, the open interest, higher open interest is at 2700, 27 100, those and 27 200. So that means 16 lakh, 19 lakh and 18 lakh respectively. And in the call side, if you see, it's at 2400, 2500 and 25 24 500. So market will be staying in this range. It will not go above that or below that. It will be trading inside that one. So those knowing the trading range is uh, much needed a tip for a trader, especially in the bank nifty. So right now market is coming down. It's again coming to test that 27 150 level in bank nifty, and we have 30 minutes left for expiry also. So if you remember yesterday 27 200 put, let it take it was trading 60 64 rupees around that closing. So if you had that put today, it it given you 82. That is in the 82 is the maximum. That's around 200 points, around 400 points you are getting on that one. Suppose that gone reverse, you will be losing the 60 1200. So if you are closed the position yesterday and taken it today, you will be getting it in much cheaper rate and your profit will be double. So you guys have to think about that type of a strategy for bank nifty, because it is having weekly expiry. So okay guys, today it's nothing. It will be moving around in this level range only. So hope you we can see tomorrow. Okay, please subscribe and click that bell button so you'll be getting the notifications and update about our future videos. Thanks.